In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you the exact way to download reel or videos from Instagram on your gallery with the video or reel audio. So first of all, find out the reel or video that you want to download. Now tap on the share icon and then just tap on copy link. That's how you have to copy the Instagram video or reel link that you want to download. Now go to your browser. You can use any browser. On browser, you have to search for Insta download, and here you get lots of website. You can use any of the website to download Instagram video easily. So let's use this first website for example. In this link box, you have to paste the video or reel link and then tap on download, and it may take some moments to find the video. Here we can see the video showing. Just tap on download and we have to watch ads, and we can see the file successfully downloaded. Now I'm just going to my gallery, and here is the video with sound. So that's how you can actually download videos or reels with audio from Instagram.